Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveller Tourer, customized by Bomb for Force Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors, and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force, 3rd Mile, Upper Shillong.
Khadc Hills Building and Structure Regulatory Authority, Hagajelang Baningkongdu, Kalarai, Ban Iaid Shakhmat, Ban Pyntrei Kam Meghalaya Building Bylaws, Arhajar Arpway. Habe Kremikla Pathai Kubor, Hakasni Balang Jakatayo, Executive Member KHDC, Ubade Pejaka Building Bylaws, Uba Polling Do, Ulong Baka KHDC, Kadang Pershang Ban Pinsted Egakam, Ban Pyntrei Kam Mekanika Hakijaka Kibahab, Apo Kajing Pejing Kmi Jonka.
Sngongo ba the state government limbau minister in charge urban affairs kala extend ya kajing keshan juga bangin la ban Iaid Shakhmat haka bangin regulate ya kajing snai ki yeng kisem kamtam hakini gisngi ba PE baka tourism gede kawai ka sector ka ba kiu ba booming sector of the economy but nak kata kajing nangmi jong ki homestays, high rise, hotels, guest houses, kalau nak kiu. Kini kita lami ada mentah namar jong ka jingklot jong application ya ka building application de bon ki la shimsting no but ki Iaid Shakhmat menshnahi lagi jong ki building kam kanu ka permission debat lara pi pai shiki media report ki ba play permit him pi ka case ke jong ka moon view cafe jong ba philosopher yop nyau but ka ever banalari guest home and restaurant jong ka kong bi kongwar yakini ka high court kala ada issue da ka notice bagi long illegal and unauthorized but la ong yakini ki try bagi benyo shwa yak jingbet nagi authorities kum ke district council kadang bakin la ban Iaid Shakhmat ya kakam di hakati ka area ka ba mention umiam area kadai 100% hapo jong put usam jong ka autonomous district council di nakata kada ka meeting ka ba long mentaka singi kalong bangin expedite Iaid Shakhmat ikam dah ke ba ngin la ban apply ya ki kendon relevant sections jong ka Meghalaya building bylaws 2021